Hi, friends. Welcome back to Easy Flow English. I am Max, and today I am really happy to talk with you. In this episode, we will talk about English learning myths. Do you know what a myth is? A myth is a wrong idea, something many people believe, but it's not true. Why is this important? Because when you believe a myth, you get stressed. You waste time, and sometimes you even feel like giving up. That makes me sad, because you don't need to give up. The truth is this: learning English can be easier, lighter, and more natural if you don't believe in these myths. When you know the truth, you can relax, you can enjoy the process, and step by step, your fluency will grow. So today, I'll share the most common myths learners have about English. For each one, I'll explain what people believe, why it feels true, and then I'll give you the real truth. I'll also give you examples, small exercises, and motivational advice. So sit back, relax, maybe take a notebook, and let's begin. Myth number 1. Watching movies with subtitles will make you fluent. Many learners love movies and TV shows. That's wonderful. Movies are fun. They give you real English. But here's the problem. Some people believe that if they watch enough movies, they will automatically become fluent. Think about this. If you watch a movie about boxing, will you become a boxer? If you watch someone cooking, will you become a chef? No, of course not. Why? Because watching is passive. Your eyes are busy. Your ears are busy. But your mouth is not working. Your memory is not being practiced. So, movies alone cannot make you fluent. But don't worry. Movies can be a very powerful tool if you use them actively. Here's how. Pause the movie. Repeat after the actor. Shadow their rhythm, tone, and style. Write down 1 or 2 useful sentences. Try using those sentences later in your real life. Mini practice. Let's try a simple line together. Repeat after me. How are you doing today? I'll be there in 5 minutes. Excellent. That's how you make movies your classroom, not just your entertainment. Truth. Movies help, but only when you work with them actively. Myth number 2. Speaking fast means speaking fluently. Many learners think, if I speak quickly, people will think I am fluent. But that's not true. Fluency is not about speed. Fluency is about clarity, confidence, and natural communication. Think about native speakers. Do they always talk fast? No. Sometimes they pause. Sometimes they repeat themselves. Sometimes they slow down to make a point. That's not weakness. That's real communication. If you speak too fast, your grammar may break. Your words may mix together, and you might feel nervous. So, instead of focusing on speed, focus on being clear and calm. Mini practice. Say this slowly with me. I like learning English. Speaking clearly is better than speaking fast. Excellent. Truth. People don't respect speed. They respect clarity. Myth number 3. You must think in English all the time. You probably hear teachers say, "Think in English," and yes, it's great advice. But some learners take it too seriously. They believe they must think in English every second of the day, and when they cannot do it, they feel bad. They feel guilty. They feel like failures. But here's the truth. You cannot force your brain to think in English 24/7. Thinking in English grows slowly, like a tree, so don't push yourself too much. Instead, create small English islands during your day. At breakfast, describe your food in English. In the evening, write a short diary in English. When you listen to music, sing along with the lyrics. These short islands add up, and little by little, your brain starts to choose English naturally. Truth. You don't need to think in English all the time. Start small and it will grow. Myth number 4. There is one perfect method. Many learners are searching for a magic method. One app, one course, one teacher. But here's the truth. There is no single perfect method. Think of building a house. Can you build a house with only a hammer? No. You need many tools. A hammer, a saw, a brush, and a drill. It's the same with English. You need many methods working together. Listening to real English, shadowing reading, short stories, writing daily, speaking with people. Each method builds one part of your English. Together, they make you fluent. Truth. Don't search for one perfect method. Use many tools together, and you will build strong English step by step. Myth number 5. Learning is a straight line. Many learners expect progress to be smooth, like walking on a flat road. But real learning? It's more like climbing a mountain. Sometimes you go up quickly. Sometimes you stop and walk flat. Sometimes you feel stuck in the same place. This flat time is called a plateau. During a plateau, you may feel bored. You may think, I'm not improving. But actually, your brain is working. It's building deeper connections. It's preparing for the next big jump. Truth. A plateau is not failure. It is part of success. It means you are climbing higher, step by step. Myth number 6. If you don't start young, you can't be fluent. This myth scares many adults. They think, I'm too old to learn. But the truth is, age is not the problem. Yes, children copy sounds quickly. But adults have other powerful strengths. Adults have focus. Adults have discipline. Adults can use smart strategies. I know learners who started at 40, 50, even 60, and today they can hold real conversations in English. Truth. You can learn at any age. Your habits matter more than your age. Myth number 7. Big words equals fluency. Some learners think fluency means using long, difficult words, but that's not true. Real fluency is built on simple, common phrases. Phrases like, "What's up?" "I'm on my way." "Could you help me with this?" These are the muscles of daily English. They make your speech natural and easy to understand. Ruth. Focus on small, common words first. Advanced words will come later. Myth number 8. Silence means failure. Many learners are afraid of silence. They think, if I pause, people will think I'm weak. But that's not true. Silence is normal. Native speakers pause too. They say, let me think. Pauses help you breathe. Pauses give you time to choose the right words. Pauses make your message clear. Truth. Silence is not failure. Silence is part of real fluency. Conclusion. So, my friends, today we explored the biggest myths about learning English. Movies alone don't make you fluent. Fluency is not about speed. You don't need to think in English all the time. There is no magic method. Learning is not a straight line. Age is not a problem. Simple words are more powerful than big words. Silence is normal. Now you know the truth. Fluency is not perfection. Fluency is not a gift. Fluency is built on small, daily steps. So don't be afraid of mistakes. Don't fear silence. And don't compare yourself with others. Take small actions every day. Speak a little. Listen a little. Write a little. Your English will grow. Step by step. Motivational closing. You are already learning. You are already improving. Believe in yourself. Keep practicing. And I will see you in the next episode of Easy Flow English. Goodbye, my friends.